Rosa. I am here at Granny's Pie Factory with Nico over on 103 School Street in East Hartford. This is a place that I want to share with you because I absolutely love the pies. I grew up about a mile away down the street. I love the place. We come here on holidays. We've used them in the past for different parties and so forth. And we've even used them for fundraisers and community things with the church. So I'm here with Nico, and I want to ask him a couple of questions about his business. So Nico, tell me, what makes a quality pie?
So it's a couple things. One is the crust. We believe strongly that you have to have a nice crust. Every pie's got a crust. I mean, if you don't have a nice crust, you're just eating a bowl of fruit.
Right.
So the other thing is, since we're making so many, is the consistency. So here we have great people. Everyone here has been here for probably over 10 years, almost everybody. And they're all great people, really committed to the business, really committed to a quality product. And so they are really going to make it happen day to day.
That's right.
You know? And the other thing is using good ingredients. We don't do anything too fancy. Everything's just simple ingredients that we use at home.
Yes, and I know that every time I come here, the pies have always been fresh. You know, I know that my family in particular, they love the Dutch apple and even that coconut custard.
Yep,
right?
those are good, yeah.
Yeah, so again, family, friends, clients, customers, you need to stop on by Granny's Pie Factory, 103 School Street in East Hartford. Talk with Nico, talk with Carrie, talk who's ever at the front desk. They're always very friendly. And this is Rosa and Nico signing out. Thanks.